Welcome back. We're continuing to build the chicken coop. This time we're working on the front of the coop. And this is where it's starting to get complex because the front, first off, is going to be 4 feet tall. See the plywood laid out behind me. So that makes it twice as big and, more importantly, twice as heavy as everything else. Also, the front is going to have two doors. We're going to have a small automatic opening door for the chickens to get in and out. And we're going to have a cleaning door that's going to be a little bigger, so when I need to clean it, I can push all the bedding out. So that makes this even more complicated. My current plan, I've got this extra sheet of plywood I'm using for the nesting boxes. I'm also going to use this to create the door for the front, the clean out door for the front. And I'm going to use this to build the ramp for the chickens to get in and out. My plan for the nesting boxes is they're going to basically be 1 foot cubes. I'm going to have 4 in a row. So I'm taking the plywood, cutting a 1 foot section off the end for the bottom of the chicken coops, or the nesting boxes. I'm going to cut another 1 foot section across here, and that's going to turn into 1 foot, 1 by 1 squares, 4 of them, as dividers between each nesting box. And then I'm going to cut another 1 foot section, which will be used for the roof of the nesting boxes, and I'll probably put a hinge on that. And then finally, I'm going to cut another 1 foot section, which is going to be the ramp and the clean out door. So it's 48 inches across. If my clean out door is 16 inches, that gives me, math, 32 inches for the ramp. That should be more than fine. I mean, we're going to have something like a 10-inch rise, and they're chickens, they'll figure it out. But anyways, let's get measuring and cutting. So our first cut is going to be 12 inches in. Good enough. You know, looking at how wide this is, that is not going to be big enough for my clean out door. I think my clean out door is going to have to be wider. Yeah, I think my clean out door is going to be 16 by 24. Yeah, 16 by 24 for my clean out door. Since I'm over here, let's mark that. 16. Sawdust in my eyes again. Cool, we have a door. Let's rotate the camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. I suppose if you want to see the roosting boxes get built, like, subscribe to the channel. This video is coming later. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to start lining everything up down there to figure out the spacing, and then we'll cut the frame. I'm not going to assemble the frame back here because, once again, this is heavy. I'm going to haul it all to the back and then screw it together back there. Probably. We'll see. Maybe. Should go lower. Okay, so now at the bottom is... Okay. And I'll flip it over and do it again and hope we're somewhere near square. Well, it's sort of square. Okay, we are out of battery. This is when it helps if somebody can put this on a charger for you. Can you put this on a charger? Okay. Thanks. She's cooking. Lunch is gonna be good. I actually don't know what time it is, but whenever lunch is, it'll be good. Let's just cut this thing up and get started. This is a bottom section. That one. The verticals should be the same height as the 4x4 sections. So we can use the 4x4 section to measure. Measure out where this thing's going to go. Going to have a hinge on one side and screws on, or get hinge on one side, clips on the other. Put the clips in. Am I going to want to double crate on that side? So this is what I'm using to keep all the doors closed and keep raccoons off. I'm going to think about this, and while I think about it, I'm going to go eat lunch. I'll be back after lunch. We're good now. Take a look at that. I'm at least having a rough idea of what this is going to look like. I still need to mark it all out and cut holes for the chicken door and the other door, and then mark up where it's all going to get framed so I can put it together in the back. But after lunch. Okay, lunch was good. I'm going to mark all of these lines again with a Sharpie so they're easier to see. But that's roughly where the frame's going to sit. You help me move that sheet of plywood?
Where?
Just on top. Wave to the camera. It helps to have an assistant. Okay. Let's make some holes in this. Cool. Clean outdoor chicken coop door. And lots of scraps all over the place. I think I'm done with the power tools, though. Time to do front yard cleanup. I think these are going to turn into airsoft targets, little door pieces. Oh yeah, I can shoot this. Can shoot that too. Got a bunch of targets. Okay. I'm going to do the cleanup off camera, but basically I'm taking everything I just cut and hauling it to the backyard, putting away the power tools, coiling up the... Yeah, I'm cleaning up all of it. Cheers.